In this video, we will learn how to use the multi-entry key to blowfly species. So we scroll down the web page. In this box here, we find our multi-entry key. What multi-entry means is that we have this list of features here, and we can select them in any order that we decide. On the left, we have the features that are possible to select and evaluate for our unknown fly. And on the right, we have all of the species that remain. As we select characters here, these features will appear in the lower box for the features that we've chosen. And as that screens out species that it could possibly be, those discarded species will appear in the box below that. So we can scroll through all of these features that are available and decide which one we want to use. Let's, for instance, say we want to start with the stem vein. We can click this little arrow and see the options we have. Any photo we can click on and we'll enlarge it so we can get a close-up view of that feature. So here we're talking about the stem vein on the fly's wing. We see that it could either be setose or bare. If we look at setose, we see these setae or hairs on the vein, or here we see it's bare. There are no hairs on the vein. We evaluate our fly in front of us, and perhaps we decide it is setose, so we select that feature. We see it shows up down here. We have 3 possible species remaining, and we've discarded 6 species that it can't be according to our selections. At any time, we can also click on this photo of a species. Here we see the dorsal or top-down shot of this species, and we can also click to see the lateral view. We can zoom in as well. We can continue to select features here until we are left with a single fly species that is when we know we've identified our fly to species. If at any point you're not sure what the best feature to choose is, you can go up here to the middle and select this magic wand icon, which will select what the key thinks is the best character for you to use. So if we select that, in this case, it says the setae or the hairs on the genie, effectively the cheek of the fly. So here we can see that these hairs on the gena, on the cheek, is white, or they are white. So if we select that option, we see we are down to a single species, and presumably the fly in front of us is Chrysomya rufifacies. If at any time we think maybe we made a mistake and this doesn't align with the fly that's in front of us, we can hit this button up here at the top left to restart the key and either try again or move on to the next specimen to identify. When we're finished using this key, we can scroll to the top to return to the forensics home to select the next key for identification.